The world of mathematics opens up a world that you never imagined when you take advantage of the possibilities it opens to you. Whether it be seeing the beauty in things or opening up more lifelong opportunities. Mathematics is the most beautiful and most powerful creation of the human spirit. Dear students, you have learnt about natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. But these are few other special numbers which you would have not learned so far. In this video session, we are going to learn about such special numbers like Fibonacci number and Lucas number. Students, have you ever received a gift for your holiday or your birthday? It was probably wrapped in nice paper and maybe a bow. But if you uncovered it, there was a surprise inside. Well, in much the same way, the Fibonacci sequence and the Lucas sequence surprised the people. A mathematician is someone who uses an extensive knowledge of mathematics in their work. Here, we are going to see the history of such mathematicians who discovered these special numbers, Fibonacci numbers and Lucas numbers. First, let's see about Fibonacci. His real name was Leonardo Pisano. Fibonacci was an Italian man who studied math and theories back in the 11th century. Fibonacci was his nickname, which roughly means son of Bonacci, as well as being famous for the Fibonacci sequence. Edward Lucas. He was a French mathematician. Lucas is known for his study of the Fibonacci sequence. The related Lucas sequence and Lucas numbers are named after him. The Fibonacci rule is to add the latest 2 to get the next number. But here we start from 2 and 1 instead of 0 and 1. These series are called as Lucas numbers. Students, you may have some doubt how the Fibonacci sequence formed and where does it come from. Now let's see. Fibonacci sequence started with a pair of fictional and slightly unbelievable baby rabbits, a baby boy rabbit and a baby girl rabbit. At the starting stage, no rabbits are born, so the sequence starts with 0. At the first month, one pair of rabbits are born. The next number be 1. At the second month, again one pair of rabbits are born as a new rabbits. Again, the next number will be 1. At the third month, two pairs of rabbits are born. Here the fourth number of the sequence is 2. At the fourth month, three pairs of rabbits are born. Here the fifth number of sequence is 3. At the fifth month, five pairs of rabbits are born. Here the sixth number of sequence is 5, and it goes on. Though Fibonacci questions concerning the rabbits in an unrealistic scenario, the sequence can be observed in nature. Let's look at some places in nature that we can find the Fibonacci number and Lucas number. Students, first take a good look at yourself in the mirror. You will notice that most of your body parts follow the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 5 like that. You have one nose, two eyes, three segments to each limb and 5 fingers on each hand. The proportions and the measurements of the human body can also be divided in terms of the golden ratio. Why do so many natural patterns reflect the Fibonacci sequence and Lucas sequence? Scientists have pondered the questions for centuries. Let me briefly explain the Fibonacci sequence. It is basically a sequence of numbers that are found by adding up the two numbers before it. Now let's see about Lucas number. It is similar to the Fibonacci number. Each Lucas number is defined to be the sum of its two immediate previous terms. The first two Lucas numbers are 2 and 1. It is opposed to the first two Fibonacci numbers. The sequence of number that are found by adding two previous numbers. See, 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 4 plus 7 is 11. 7 plus 11 is 18. 11 plus 18 is 29. And it goes on. There are many examples of the divine proportion found throughout the design of the universe and everything in it. Let's take a look at one of the most important things first. Let's start with something simple. Students, take your hand and look at the proportion of your index finger. Each section of your index finger from the tip to the base of the wrist is larger than the preceding one by about the Fibonacci ratio of 1.618 by fitting the Fibonacci number 2, 3, 5 and 8. Sunflower. Sunflowers are more than just beautiful food. They are also a mathematical marvel. The patterns of seeds within a sunflower follows the Fibonacci sequence. If you remember back to math class, each number in the sequence is a sum of the previous two numbers. And we can find the Fibonacci sequence in the origin of a drone bee. The pattern of the bee's family tree follows the Fibonacci sequence. Even in a piano, the Fibonacci sequence are followed. 8 are white keys and 5 are black keys. In a scale, the dominant note is fifth note, which is also the eighth note of all the 13 notes that make up the octave. Starting to see a pattern, these are all numbers in the Fibonacci sequence. Consider the drawing of a pineapple where we have numbered the hexagons. The numbering has been done by the following rule: Fibonacci sequence. You can even find these special numbers in plants, animals, fruits, etc. The golden ratio of Fibonacci sequence appears in several human body parts: human body, face, and fingers. Spiral on human ears, eye position on the human face, human teeth, fingers, lungs, heart functions, and brain waves. So students, without mathematics there is nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics. Everything around you is numbers. Thank you.